Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 4 of my November tag-a-day. So let's jump into what I used today. I used this super fun Pink and Main Fancy Tags die. I really like this one because it has this like scalloped layer around here. It was really fun to use. I used the Pink and Main Just Chicken In stamp set. I see I have it in there backwards, but it has these fun chickens and then super fun sentiments. And then I used the Ink and Splatter Clucker Club paper. It's early. I'm still drinking my coffee. I just remembered that I had it, and it had that chicken wire theme and stuff, so I thought it would be fun. I also used a white pen. I used this Art and Fly from Amazon. I believe it's like an Arteza brand, but I could be really wrong. And then my Spectrum Noir sparkle pen. I used glossy accents. My bottle's getting down there, so I can switch to the Pink and Main Touch of Gloss. I used some Stardust stickles, and then I used ruby red ink from Craft and Kimmy. And here is my super fun tag for day 4. You are one cool chick. I have glossy accents on her glasses. I did polka dots with the white pen, and I also put some little dots onto the necklace. I used the sparkle pen for her little purse, and then I used stickles for her shoes. So she is all beautiful, and you are one cool chick. Oh, I also used some white enamel dots. I just had them on a strip, and they're from Gina Marie Designs. And then some ribbon. The back, of course, is just cardstock, my stamp, and she just cracks me up. She's just ready for her day of clucking about, I guess. So there is my tag for day 4. I had so much fun with this. I think that's why I like the tag so much. It's a smaller area. You can just highlight like an image and not have to worry so much about the other area. And it just is fun to see like her really shine on this tag, whereas on a card, it might not have quite the like effect or the statement, I guess you'd say. So yeah, it's really super fun tag today. So I will see you back here tomorrow for day 5. Until then, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.